Hi guys, in this video we talk about Realme GT 5 Pro versus Honor Magic 6 Pro. The Realme GT 5 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $899. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,099. The body dimensions: Realme GT 5 Pro, height 6.37 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 9.2 mm. The Honor Magic 6 Pro dimension: height 6.4 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The Realme GT 5 Pro weight 224 gram and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 225 gram. The build: Realme GT 5 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro, front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it comes with dual SIM nano SIM card ported. The display type: Realme GT 5 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color. The screen size: Realme GT 5 Pro 6.78 inches, the Honor Magic 6 Pro 6.8 inches. The resolution: Realme GT 5 Pro comes with 1.5K screen resolution and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 1.5K screen resolution. The PPI density: Realme GT 5 Pro comes with 450 PPI density and the Realme GT and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 553 PPI density. The Realme GT 5 Pro comes with 144Hz refresh rate and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 120Hz refresh rate. Honor Magic 6 Pro 91.6% of screen to body ratio and the Realme GT 5 Pro 92% screen to body ratio. Realme GT 5 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass Express 2 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro Pure Hino Glass protection. The Realme GT 5 Pro comes with 4500 nits peak of brightness and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 5000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Realme GT 5 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide and 8 MP periscope telephoto, and it records 8K 30fps video. The Realme GT 5 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with triple camera setup, 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide and 180 MP periscope telephoto, and it records 4K 60fps video. The selfie camera of these devices: the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with dual selfie camera, 50 MP and a TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it records 4K 30fps video. The Realme GT 5 Pro comes with 32 MP selfie camera and it records 4K 30fps video. The platform of these devices: the Realme GT 5 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with octa-core Cortex-X4 CPU and it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the GPU of these devices: the board device comes with Android 750. The operating system of these devices: the board device comes with Android 14 and Realme GT 5 Pro comes with Realme UI 5.0 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro Magic OS 8 operating system. The memory setup: the Realme GT 5 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and it comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card port in both mobiles. The battery: Realme GT 5 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5600 mAh battery. Realme GT 5 Pro comes with 100W fast charging and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 80W fast charging. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 66W wireless charging and the Realme GT 5 Pro comes with 50W wireless charging. It comes with 5G network support. The common and feature is same, but Honor Magic 6 Pro have Face ID unlocking. The result of these devices: Realme GT 5 Pro got 23 points and the Honor Magic 6 Pro got 24 points.